Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all my pupils. I hope all of you are doing fine at home. So for today, can you please turn to page 144, 144 of your textbook. We are going to learn how to write an article, making preferences or writing about what you prefer. Tulis rencana tentang apa yang kamu lebih suka, lebih gemar. So, without further ado, let's go straight to task 3. Read this writing task and discuss your chosen preference in class. Baca tugasan penulisan di bawah dan bincang apakah pilihan anda di dalam kelas. Give reasons why you prefer it. Berikan sebab mengapa anda lebih sukakannya. And say what you don't like about the other choices. Dan katakan apa yang kamu tidak suka tentang pilihan yang satu lagi. You see this announcement in an English language magazine for teenagers. So the title is My Favorite Way to Communicate. Cara yang saya gemari untuk berkomunikasi. How do you prefer to communicate with friends? Bagaimanakah cara yang kamu lebih suka untuk berkomunikasi dengan kawan-kawan? Face to face, SMS, chatting on the computer, or chatting on the phone? Write an article about your favorite way to talk to your friends. Tuliskan rencana tentang cara yang kamu lebih gemar untuk bercakap dengan rakan-rakan. Explaining why you prefer it. Jelaskan kenapa anda menyukainya. The best articles will be published in next month's magazine. So you can see a picture of this girl chatting with her friends on a laptop. Okay, so let's take a look at the sample answer. Okay, talking face to face. So this girl prefer to talk face to face to her friends than via social media or chat messenger. Okay, paragraph 1, introduction. Would you tell your friend a secret on Facebook or wait until you meet them? Personally, I prefer seeing my friends' face and hearing their voice when we talk. Adakah awak akan memberitahu rahsia kepada kawan anda di Facebook atau tunggu sehingga bersemuka dengannya? Secara personal, saya lebih suka melihat muka rakan saya dan mendengar suaranya bila kami bercakap. Paragraph 2. The most important things about being together is that the conversation is spontaneous. Benda yang paling penting bila kita bersama-sama ialah perbualan kita adalah secara spontan. So, this is the first reason. The first reason is circle. Okay, conversation is spontaneous. Okay, that is the first main point. Okay, next one. If you send someone a text, you are forced to sit on your own waiting for them to think of and write their reply. Jikalau awak menghantar teks kepada seseorang, anda dipaksa untuk duduk menunggu mereka berfikir, menulis dan membalas. Okay, so this girl explain more why conversation is spontaneous. This is not a proper lively conversation for me. Ini bukannya perbualan yang sempurna dan secara langsung kepada saya. So she give more reasons. That's it. That is for first point. Second point in paragraph 3. Apart from that, selain daripada itu, what about those feelings that you can't communicate with words? Apa pula tentang perasaan yang anda tidak boleh berkomunikasi dengan perkataan? Okay, there are some things that you cannot express in words. You have to say, okay, orally. You have to tell your friends face to face. If one of my friends was unhappy, for example, kalau seorang daripada kawan saya tidak sihat sebagai contoh, I would want be there to give them a hug. Saya mahu ke sana dan memeluk mereka. You can't do that on the screen. Awak tak boleh buat benda tu di atas screen laptop ataupun di screen handphone. Okay, so the second reason is also circle. Feelings that can't communicate with words. Perasaan yang tidak boleh diberitahu dengan kataan. Okay. Paragraph 4. Okay. Spoken conversations also give you a better chance of keeping your personal life private. Perbualan secara lisan memberi anda peluang yang baik untuk menyimpan kehidupan peribadi anda, rahsia peribadi anda. Texting is fine for making arrangement for gossiping. Okay, hantar WhatsApp ni boleh untuk membuat susunan temu janji ataupun membawang gosip. But if you write down personal thought of feeling, tapi jika anda menulis pendapat atau perasaan anda di Facebook wall sebagai contoh, they could easily be read by other people. Ia boleh dibaca oleh orang lain. So the third point is keeping your personal life private. So when you talk to someone, okay, you can keep your personal life private. Okay, it is better than update your status and tell the whole world what you are feeling at the moment. So if you really want to talk to me, come on over. Kalau nak bercakap dengan saya, datang ke sini. Let's have a proper chat face to face. Mari kita bercakap sedangkan sempurna. Okay, face to face, muka ke muka. Okay, we skip the questions. Okay, now let's take a look at task 5. Using conditionals is a very useful way of explaining your reason. Menggunakan syarat adalah cara yang paling berguna untuk menjelaskan alasan anda. Write conditional sentences to explain the following statements about places where people eat. Tuliskan ayat-ayat bersyarat untuk menjelaskan tentang tempat orang suka makan. Okay, number 1. Okay, the answers are there. Eating out can be disappointing. Makan di luar boleh mengecewakan. Why? Okay, if the service is slow, it can spoil your meal. Kalaulah perkhidmatan itu perlahan, ia akan menghilangkan rasa nak makan. Okay, spoil. Okay. Okay, number 2. Eating at home can be boring. Makan di rumah boring. Okay. If you go to a restaurant, you have a choice of what to eat. Kalau pergi ke restoran, kamu ada pilihan mana nak makan. As long as you have the money. Ada duit, boleh makan apa jua yang kamu nak. But if you are at home, you just eat ayam masak merah. Okay, that your mother cooks. Okay, number 3. Eating in a posh restaurant is less relaxing than eating at home. Makan di restoran mewah kurang merehatkan, menyenangkan berbanding dengan makan di rumah. Why? Because if you need to wear smart clothes, you might not feel comfortable. Kalau kamu kena pakai pakaian yang smart, okay, pakaian rasmi, anda mungkin tidak rasa selesa. Okay, now let's take a look at task 6. Okay, I have prepared a PDF file for task 6. You can find here. Okay, task 6. Read this writing task and use the language bank to help you write your article. When you have finished your article, check your work carefully. You see this announcement in an English language magazine for teenagers. Awak melihat pengumuman ini di sebuah majalah bahasa Inggeris untuk remaja. The title of the article is My Favorite Way to Eat. Cara yang terbaik, cara kegemaran saya untuk makan. Where do you prefer to eat? At home, at a restaurant, somewhere else? Di mana kamu suka makan? Di rumah, di restoran ataupun di tempat lain? Write an article about your favorite type of place to eat. Tuliskan rencana tentang tempat kegemaran anda untuk makan. Explaining why you prefer it. Jelaskan kenapa anda sukakannya. The best articles will be published in our magazine next month. Yang terbaik, rencana terbaik akan siarkan dalam majalah pada bulan hadapan. Write your article in between 140 and 190 words. Okay, banyak ini sahaja. So you can see the sample essay, okay, as a guideline, sebagai panduan tengok kepada contoh essay. So so let's look at the plan. Tengok pada dia punya plan. First, you write down your article, your title in paragraph 1. Dengan pertama, get your reader's attention and state your preference. Dapatkan perhatian pembaca anda dan nyatakan pilihan anda. Okay. Paragraph 2, 3 and 4, explain your reasons using a new topic for each paragraph. Jelaskan alasan anda dengan menggunakan topik baru, topik sentence ataupun isi baru untuk setiap perenggan. So you must come up with 3 reasons. Berikan 3 alasan kenapa anda suka makan di restoran ataupun suka makan di rumah. And paragraph 5, restate. Restate mean nyatakan kembali your preference, pilihan anda in a new or amusing way, di dalam kaedah yang baru dan meriangkan. So you can follow the examples given just in one sentence or two. So here are the language banks, vocab. Okay, in terms of, there are 2 aspects that you need to look for. First, atmosphere, suasana. The second one, food. Okay, so for the atmosphere, relax and easygoing. So if you eat at home, you can feel more relaxed and easygoing. You don't have to follow the table ethic. Okay, you can be noisy, but when you are at a restaurant, you have to behave yourself. Formal, it is more formal if you eat at a restaurant. Polite, okay, sopan santun, polite. Family or special occasion, okay. Occasion means peristiwa untuk keluarga ataupun peristiwa-peristiwa penting. Normally when we have special occasion, we eat at a restaurant. Okay, good service, perkhidmatan yang bagus. Table manners. Table manners means adab di meja. Okay. Surrounded by loved ones or strangers. Okay. You are surrounded by loved ones at home, but you are surrounded by strangers in a restaurant. Okay, next one. In terms of food, dari segi makanan, mom's cooking is still the best. Masakan mak. My favorite dishes, makanan kegemaran saya. Menu, more to choose from, lebih banyak untuk dipilih if you go to eat in a restaurant. Interesting, menarik. Exotic food. Exotic food means makanan pelik. For example, grasshopper, belalang. Okay, first, main course, hidangan utama, hidangan pertama. Course means hidangan. Dessert, pencuci mulut. And lastly, professional chef. Okay, chef yang tukang masak yang professional. Okay, tips. Make quick notes for your chosen preference and against the other choices to help you identify clear positive reasons for your choice. Kena buat nota ringkas tentang apa yang kamu suka dan tak suka. Use conditionals to explain what you mean. Gunakan ayat bersyarat untuk menjelaskan apa yang kamu maksudkan. Remember to give your article a title. So I hope you can do this. You can answer this writing task during the midterm break next week. So till then, have a nice day and enjoy your holiday. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.